So let's have a look on how voice and the text notifications work with SIGNL4. First of all, of course, you have to let SIGNL4 know what your mobile phone number is. So go to the settings while tapping the little gear icon and then go to signaling. And then what you have to do is validate your phone number for text and voice calls. And then you have to enter your phone number without the leading country code, which you select on the left. So if you want to have a different country or your country is a different one, click on the country code and you can choose from the list. Other than that, enter your phone number and hit the little check mark. SIGNL4 will then try to validate your phone number. Validating means that we will check if we support the network and then enter the code that is sent to you via SMS. And now your phone number is validated. So it can be used for voice calls and text notifications. We, by the way, support more than 400 networks in the world, but there are some exotic ones which we do not support. So now we are good to go, and we can use text and voice. So by default, they are switched off, but you can change it here in your notification pattern. So if you like to receive a text message along with your push notification, if there's a new alert instantly, use the slider. If you want to use voice as some sort of wake-up call, if you miss the text or the push notification, you can set that here as well. I set it to 1 minute and I switch off text, so I will get a push notification instantly, and if there's a new alert, I will remind it if I miss the push after 1 minute by receiving a voice call. So, and that's pretty much it. So you can define any pattern that you want all at once, just voice, just push, or a specific sequence, and we are good to go. Before testing, don't forget to go on duty, because otherwise you won't receive that notifications. So I will then create an alert to demo it. And here we go. So that was a push notification, which actually just vibrated. So that means I usually will not respond to it because a vibration might easily get missed. So, but within a minute from now, we will receive a voice call telling us that there is an unhandled alert. So as you know, you can always set any specific notification sound in SIGNL4 for your push notifications. And you also do that through the signaling page. So here you can set the signaling tone. And what we also introduced is a tone on silent. So even if your phone is set to silent, and here we receive the voice call.
I'm for your Team IT on call for the service or system location with the subject alert.
And that's your reminder. Now you're awake, hopefully, and you can respond to that particular alert. If you don't do, we have the persistent notification, which you can switch on in the management portal. So that means within 5 minutes from now, you will again be paged because the alert is still open. And here you can see persistent signaling in our case is done via push, but you can also change that to voice call, meaning that in 5 minutes from now, you will receive again a voice call if you don't respond to that particular alert, which we will now do to stop being notified. So I hit the question mark. It's mine now. I'm responsible, and the sequence is finished. And if I actually resolved the issue, I hit my profile picture again, and now the alert is resolved. So that's the basic principle of using multiple notification channels: push, text, and voice, and persistent notifications. So if you start with SIGNL4 and you sign up for a trial, there's a balance of 70 US dollar cents or 70 euro cents, which you can use to send a trial notification, one via voice and one by text. And you can anytime top up your credits and use your credit card to buy packages, prepaid packages of 10 or 25 dollars or euros. And you can also enable an auto top-up feature. So you have to make sure that you have enough credit available to do voice and text notifications.